Okay, so last lecture we had done one sum on income trend analysis, which was related to income vertical income statement. That is your PNL account, the new style of PNL account. Okay, yeah, and I had shared the screenshot of the solution also to you yesterday. Okay, I'm again and again repeatedly saying you have to update your notes, you have to complete your notes. Okay, that is the reason I'm sending the questions along with the answers. Okay, today we'll move on to one more question of this type, vertical trend statement. Okay, fine. So pay attention here. From the following income statements of Y Limited, prepare a trend income statement in vertical form suitable for analysis. Okay, so you have to prepare a vertical format of the same. Okay, vertical trend income statement. Just a minute. Next. Fine. So it is a 4 year ka statement. See, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. 4 साल का है. Correct. So what is the step for income statement? I mean for trend analysis. Trend analysis में आप क्या करते हो? फर्स्ट ईयर को बेस ईयर लोगे. Okay, so 2014 मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर है, so this is my base year. बाकी 2015, 16 and 17 becomes my next year. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to do. फिर this is the best part. Income statement almost आपको दिया हुआ है question में. See, sales less COGS, then operating expense, selling expense, establishment expense, interest on loan, depreciation, profit before taxes, provision for income tax, and profit after taxes. Okay, तो इसको थोड़ा PNL न्यू PNL के स्टाइल में आपको कन्वर्ट करना है. Okay, so let me start with this. You just have to copy paste the items, that's it. You just have to copy. Sales is given to you. Sales दिया है. Sales less COGS क्या मिलता है? Gross profit मिलता है. Okay, less all these expenses क्या मिलेगा? Net profit before taxes. Less taxes will give me net profit after taxes. Okay, so see this. This is a trend income statement. Yeah, see, 2014 मेरा base year है. See, 2014. Okay, expanded more. 2014 is my base year. 2015, 16 and 2015, 16, 17 is my what? Is my next year. The next year. This is my next year. Okay. Then sales 75, 90, 1 lakh 8 and 1 lakh 29. It's given. Fine. Less COGS 48, 57, 69 and 84. Okay, so that will give you gross profit. See, everything is given in the question. You just have to put it in the new PNL style. Okay, fine. So this will give me what? This will give me gross profit. See, gross profit. Okay, so this is my gross profit. This part. Okay. Next, less operating expenses. Okay, operating expenses में there are three items. Okay, अब तुम्हारा gross profit मतलब तुम्हारा manufacturing trading complete हो गया, correct? In this question, gross profit के बाद आता है P&L account, the old P&L. तो अभी हमें उसे new P&L में डालना है. So in the new P&L, what are operating expenses? Operating expenses are day-to-day expenses, रोज के खर्चे. I mean, you can call it daily, you can call it monthly, or you can call it yearly expenses. Okay, that is operating, which is required for एवरीडे वर्किंग ऑफ द बिजनेस. उसके लिए जो भी खर्चा करते हैं उसको ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंस बोलते हैं. तो उसमें फर्स्ट इज व्हाट? उसमें फर्स्ट इज एडमिन ओवरहेड्स. ओके, एडमिन एक्सपेंसेस. तो as per the question, as per the question, see here, this part, establishment expense and depreciation is admin expense, or office expense भी you can call it. ठीक है. And selling expense कहाँ जाएगा? Selling expense will go to selling and distribution in the category selling and distribution expense. Okay. Interest on loan, मैंने ये इसके लिए आपको बताया था. You can show it under financial expenses, or you can show it separately minus करके. ठीक है. And I had told you कि the practical way is to show it separately instead of showing it in financial. But if any student shows it in financial expense के heading में, nobody will give you wrong. Okay. But as per the Companies Act, the revised Companies Act, which has given this statement, the new revenue statement, interest part is shown separately. Okay, because these vertical statements are disclosed to the shareholders, right? So the shareholders should have knowledge of how much interest is given away. Okay, so see, okay, establishment expenses, establishment expenses and depreciation is under the category of admin expense. Selling expense is under the category of selling and distribution expense. Okay, you can write here selling and distribution also. Selling and distribution. Okay, so this will give me total operating expenses. So this total operating expense you will subtract from where? From the gross profit. Okay, see, I'll show you. Just a minute. See, 27,000 is your gross profit. ठीक है, उसमें से you have to subtract this element. ये तीनों को पहले add करो. You first total all this three. Okay, admin plus selling. Wait, I'll use a dark color. Yeah, admin plus selling. See this total I'm talking about. Okay, so 4,500 plus 7,500 plus 7,500. I'll total one column and show it to you. So this is my operating expense. इसको gross profit से minus करो 27,000. So my answer is 7,500, which is known as net profit before interest and taxes. You can even write this like this: net profit before interest and taxes. Okay. Then see this interest element. Yeah, 4,500, 6,000, 7,500, and 9,000. Okay, you have to show this separately. See, Interest on loan 4,500, 6,000, 7,500, and 9,000. Okay. See, 7,500 minus this 4,500. So what do you get? 3,000. See this. Okay, 12,000 minus 6,000 gives you 6,000. 13,200 minus 7,500, 5,700. Okay, and 16,140, 9,000. 7,140. This is your net profit before tax. Then pay the taxes, less taxes. This. These are your taxes. Provision for tax. Okay. 1,200, 3,000, 2,775, and 3,600. Okay. 1,200, 3,000, 2,775, and 3,600. 1,800, 6,000 minus 3,000 is 3,000, and 5,700 minus 2,775 is 2,925, and 7,140 minus 3,600 is 3,540. Okay, this is my net profit after tax. After this also you have two steps: add opening balance of profit of last year and less appropriations, that is keeping money aside, less reserves. But in this sum, those steps are not there, so don't write. Okay, so you can stop up to NPAT. जरूरी नहीं आपको रिटेन्ड अर्निंग तक से कैलकुलेट करना है, आगे दो स्टेप नहीं है ना, यू कैन स्टॉप टिल नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्सेस. ओके, just a minute. And is it clear? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Just a minute. Okay. Shamika, why are you writing all this? I mean, and I have not removed 4861. Yeah, Shamika, listen to me. I have not removed 4861, so stop writing this first of all. Or दूसरी चीज, if there is a technical error and somebody is out, I lock the meeting room after 5 minutes. That's a rule. Okay? So that is his, I mean, I can say it is his bad. Okay. Next, see. And the final answer has to match with this answer, which is given here. See, ये फाइनल आंसर मैच होना चाहिए आपका 1800 3000 2925 and 3540. Okay, yeah, see, it has to match with this answer. Okay, so अगर match हुआ that means you are doing it correct. Okay, right? So what are we doing first? I'll repeat it again. First, what you have to mark? You have to mark your base year. That is the first year. So 2014 मेरा first year है. 2015, 16, 17. All the 4 years का information is given. So you just have to put the information as per the new P&L account style. That is called as the new vertical P&L. Okay. So sales आपकी इनकम में से एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करते जाओ, जो भी बच गया वो प्रॉफिट होता है. So you called it, there are different names to it, like net profit before interest and taxes, net profit after, net profit before tax, net profit after tax. It is also known as retained earnings. So ये लोग क्या करते हैं, ये जो profits है इसको different different names में bifurcate किया हुआ है. Okay? ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट में से पहले एडमिन एक्सपेंसेस और फिर सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करो, तो यू गेट योर नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर इंटरेस्ट एंड टैक्सेस. ओके, दिस इज द न्यू नेम फॉर इट. दिस इज द न्यू नेम, दिस वन. ओके, देन इसमें से इंटरेस्ट अलग से माइनस करना है. आई हैव बीन सेइंग दिस रिपीटेडली, यू डोंट हैव टू show interest and financial expenses, show it separately, because in the practical way it is done this way only. Then you get your net profit before taxes. Okay, this is called as net profit before tax. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इसके बाद ही सीधा टैक्सेस माइनस करना होता है. नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स लेस योर टैक्सेस, provision for tax or tax paid, whatever you call it, then you get your net profit after tax. Okay, then shortcut method say we'll find all the next four trend percentage column. Okay, so all the base years will be 100. Step 2, where base year sub 100 lena hai. See, 2014 everything I have taken it to be 100. Okay, and next important thing is the shortcut method which we are going to use. So what is the shortcut method? Look here, it depends on this formula. What is the formula? Next year upon base year into 100. This is the formula. Next year upon base year into 100. Okay, ठीक है. सो एक चीज याद रखो, ये मेरा बेस ईयर और ये 100 ये कांस्टेंट रहेगा फॉर्मूले में, बराबर ना. इसलिए कैल्सी पे आप क्या करोगे, कैल्सी पे आप एक फिक्स्ड लेके रखो. ओके, टेक डोंट टेक द सिस्टम कैल्सी और द कैलकुलेटर ऑफ द मोबाइल, इट विल नॉट टेक दिस शॉर्टकट. सो 100 डिवाइड बाय, नाउ मेरा बेस ईयर क्या है अभी 75. ओके, सो इस पे आओ, 100 डिवाइड बाय 75, this one. Okay, so 100 divided by 75,000 equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, and then I want answer for 90,000. Type 90,000 on calci, press equal to, so I get 119.999. You can make it 120 also. Okay, because 0.9999 है ना इसके लिए, तो you can write even 120 here. It is absolutely correct. Okay, it's not wrong. You can write here 120 also. Okay, next answer what I want, 1,08,000. So type 1,08,000 on Calci, press equal to sign. So my answer is 143.999. आप इसको 144 भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? You can even write here 144. I'm showing you the alternatives, right? Then next 108 हो गया. Next 1,29,600 का ट्रेंड परसेंटेज चाहिए ना. टाइप 1,29,600 on Calci, press equal to sign 72.79999. You can make it 72.80 भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, 172.799. You can make it 172.80 also. Okay, ठीक है. सो ये शॉर्टकट ध्यान में रखना है, करेक्ट? एग्जाम में लिखना नहीं है ये शॉर्टकट, बट आपको ध्यान में रखना है. यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन द कैलसी. इट विल सेव योर टाइम. ओके, नेक्स्ट माय बेस ईयर इज, अभी नेक्स्ट गो रो वाइज. ऐसे रो वाइज जाओ, पहले ये रो कंप्लीट करो फिर ये रो, बिकॉज एवरी रो में द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी डिफरेंट. ओके, नाउ कम टू दिस रो. नाउ इन दिस रो my denominator is what? 48,000. So on Calci you take 100 divided by 48,000, press equal to sign, multiplication sign 2 times you press, and then I want answer for this 57,000. So type 57,000 on Calci and press equal to. So my answer is 118. Just a minute. Okay, my answer is 118.75. Okay, next 749 है तो आप राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट आई वांट आंसर फॉर 69,000. टाइप 69,000, प्रेस इक्वल टू. माय आंसर इज 143.75. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट टाइप 84,000 एंड प्रेस इक्वल टू. माय आंसर इज 174.999. आप इसको 175 भी कर सकते हो, एग्जाम में रॉन्ग नहीं मिलेगा. You can even write here 175. Okay, I'm just telling you the alternative. Okay, next come to this row. Okay, row wise जाओ, अभी इधर आओ. Okay, अब तुम्हारा denominator क्या होगा? The first year, how much it is? 27,000. So use your formula. 100 divided by 27,000. Press the equal to sign, multiplication sign 2 times, and then I want answer for 33,000. Type 33,000. Press equal to. So it is 122.2222, like this. Next, type 39,000, press equal to. My answer is 144.4444. Type 45,600, press equal to. My answer is 168.8888. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, right? This all comes with practice. If you don't practice, definitely you will never understand these techniques. Okay. नेक्स्ट अब आई विल कम टू दिस रो. अभी मुझे इस रो पे आना है, दिस वन. अभी इसका बेस ईयर क्या है? ये 4,500. ओके, चेंज करो. 100 डिवाइड बाय 4,500, प्रेस द इक्वल टू साइन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन 2 टाइम्स, एंड देन मुझे इसका आंसर चाहिए फर्स्ट 5250. सो टाइप 5250, प्रेस इक्वल टू. ओके, so my answer is 166.6666. Exam you have to be very quick. Here I'm explaining, so I'm going slow. Otherwise, you have to be very quick. Next, you will type 10,800. Press equal to. Answer is 239.999. Okay, you can make it 240 also. आप इसको 240 भी लिख सकते हो. Yeah, 239.999 means 240. Okay, next type 6750. Press equal to. My answer is 149.9999. You can write here 150 also. Okay, so I'm showing you the alternatives. Okay, next, अभी come to the next row. ये वाला. अब इस रो में मेरा डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा? 7,500. राइट, 100 डिवाइड बाय 7,500, प्रेस इक्वल टू, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन 2 टाइम्स. ओके, देन टाइप 6750, press equal to. Your answer is 90. Just a minute. 6, 7. Yeah, 89.9999 matlab 90. Okay. Next, type 9000, press equal to 119.9999. Okay. You can even write it 120. Next, 9750, 129.999. आप इसको 130 भी लिख सकते हो. It's not wrong. Right? Like this. Okay. Yeah, you can give your attendance in the chat box now. Yeah, students. Simultaneously start giving your attendance in the chat box. Right? And do pay attention on the screen. Now come to this row. ये भी अच्छा है. 7500 सेम बेस है तो सिर्फ आप टाइप करते जाओ अभी. When the base is same, don't change the base ना. अभी ऊपर वाले का बेस भी 7500 ही था. So type 9000, press equal to, yeah. See, you'll get 119.9999. So you can write here 120 also. Okay. Then type 6000, press equal to, it is 80. Type 12,960, press equal to, then 172.7999, you can make it 172.80 also. Right? And again saying you have to practice this. This comes only with practice. Now, this row mein 19,500 is my base. Change it. 100 divided by 19,500. Press equal to, multiplication sign 2 times. Okay. Then type 21,000. Press equal to sign 107.69. Then type 25,800. Press equal to 132.31. Then type 29,460. Press equal to 151.08. Okay. You have to keep doing this same loop, same cycle. You have to keep repeating till your final answer. That is net profit after taxes. Next, shift to this row. 7,500. 7,500. So I would suggest, अगर तुम्हें कोई number similar लग रहा है, you're finding the base is same in 4 to 5 columns, 4-5 column में आपको लग रहा है base same है, तो आप directly उसको लिख सकते हो. आपको घड़ी घड़ी divide multiply करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? So for that you have to be very attentive, very vigilant also when you're solving something. Same thing, 100 divided by 7,500 equal to into, then type 12,000, press equal to sign 159.9999. So क्या कर सकते हो आप इसको 160 लिख सकते हो. Clear? Yeah. Then type 13,200, press equal to, so you can write 176 because it is 175.9999. You can write here 176. Okay. Then type 16,140. You will get 215.1999. So you can make it 215.20. Okay. Keep repeating all these steps row wise. Go row wise. Okay. Because you're completing your figures row wise. That is the reason. Right? So With practice all these things will come. अब इसका बेस क्या हो जाएगा 4500. So 100 divided by 4500 equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times. Then you type 6000, then 7500, then 9000 and the equal to sign. Okay. इसका बेस कितना हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट वाले का 3000. So 100 divided by 3000. Okay. And then type the remaining figures, press equal to, you will get these values. वैल्यूज का मैंने आपको बताया 0.99 है तो राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज डेसिमल्स को वैसे का वैसा ही रखो. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट इज 1200. So 100 divided by 1200 equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times. Type 3000. 249.999 मतलब 250 लिख सकते हो. 2775 press equal to 231.25. Type 3600 press equal to, so it is 299.9999. You can round it off to 300. Okay. And then last 1800. 100 divided by 1800 equal to into. Then type 3000 plus equal to 166.666. 2925 plus equal to 162.50. 3540 plus equal to 196.6666. Okay. Fine. Next lecture, I'll be starting with comparative. There is something new. Vertical trend analysis is done. Next is comparative analysis. Next lecture, I will start with a new concept. There also these shortcut techniques are used.